Okay, we're in Apopka. This is an old Apopka train station. Just happened to roll up on it. We're passing through here and saw this, and I could tell it was something, but I didn't know what till I rolled up in here. And it says Apopka Station Street District Historic Seaboard Airline Railway Depot, established 1918. So this is pretty neat. I don't know if they moved it somewhere. The wood appears to be original. There are people living underneath of it. There are new concrete support piers everywhere. Someone's obviously put some money into keeping it from collapsing. Thank you for doing that. There's original brick underneath. Yeah, this is pretty cool. You don't usually get to see these kinds of things in this state. This is not a museum open to the public, etc., etc. This is in a very dilapidated state. It's, not. There's a lot of rotting wood. So maybe there are plans to, at some point, to restore it, but you can see it is not restored right now. It is very much falling down in a lot of ways, which to me, sad, etc., etc., but it's also kind of cool. Usually you see these places after somebody spent countless money and all sorts of time and effort on it, but this isn't that. There's broken windows. These look like original doors. So pretty cool stuff. There's some really neat old time fixtures right there. It's right on the train, the railway's right on the track. So this could have been. I wanted to show the broken windows. Somebody's broken the shit out of these windows here. So they may not have moved it. This may have been here all along. They just decided to put a little money and effort into shoring it up. And thank God they've done that, because that would be, other than the roof, that would be the first thing that would cause, everything to just go to hell. That would be the beginning of the end. And once the structure, the substructure falls down, that's it. And here we see some really neat old beams. Cool stuff. Very cool stuff. It's not Lowe's or Home Depot by any stretch. That's locally milled. Oh, and here, I don't know what they call this when they do it like this, when they put these pieces of wood together like that, but that's pretty unique and historic as well. So that's our find and surprise for the day.